Show everyone your underbite.
Oh no, don't woof.
Oh, Herc wants to go outside.
Come on. How'd you get up there? Oh, that's how. Literally milk falling from the ceiling. What the
Goo goo gaga. I want milk.
Bruh. What are you doing?
I love you.
Oh my god. No f***ing way.
So the next thing I'm going to talk about is, bro, can you record properly?
So it's an interactive little scavenger game for the cats. So yeah, it's called a little boink. Oh my
Ow! Xena! You have to bite me for it, you kinky. Ow!
Excuse me? Are you kidding me?
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
It's just a sock.
Every time I'm in the kitchen, you in the kitchen.
I will give you some if you will let go. Let go. Let me have it. Don't play with me. Just get your damn.
Open your mouth and see what your cat does.
Alright, goodbye, Bailey. Sleep around you now, cat.
Kimba.
Can I have my nose back?
Kimba.
Okay, no, I won't move. Ow.
She biting you harder?
Excuse me, you've missed one too many rent payments and it's recycling day, so I'm gonna have to take the house from you.
You gonna swim with Daddy? Did you see her jump? Whoa, Joel!
What's up, house? All right, out.
She's a precious angel. Oh, okay, that didn't hurt. You're being dramatic.
Hey,
Man, hold up. I know you ain't over here making the duck face. Girl, I done told you about the duck face, man.
Lufa. Lufa, knock it off. Stop. Stop. All right.
Mava. Mava. Mava.
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who
Are you kidding me?
No. Quickly.
Meow meow. Hi, meow meow.
My God. Please stop. No. This is not good behavior.
Excuse you. Give kisses. Give kisses. Thank you.
Please, for the love of God, stop drinking.
I said you can empty out the K-cup box and then put these inside and give it to them. They'll think it's K-cups, but it's liquor.
Baby sleeping?
Yes.
Okay, so explain to me what this is doing.
But what is doing? She's sitting in a bowl, obviously.
Why? Is it a rocket ship or do we get 3 wishes?
А ти моє серденько. Я не можу жити без серденька.
Toffee. This is great. Thank you.
Here, you can have this chip. Oh. Well, I guess peppermint.
What did we do? You like getting in my makeup? For real? I just bought it. I leave the room for 2 seconds and you're already in it. I just bought it.
We're two best friends that anyone can have, and we'll never, ever, 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 ever leave each other. Oh.
Today I will be showing you how to catch a cat. Step 1, get a box. Step 2, you're welcome. How was your nap? Ooh. Was it good? Wow.
Millie.
What's all the commotion over here? Jack? What's all the commotion? What is that? Is that a f***ing mouse? What the f-
Okay. Anyways, we're getting ready for your photo shoot today. Do you know you're ready? Alright. Let me get a smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese.
Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I get away with it. Oh, da doo-dah day.
Come on, go bigger. Go bigger. Go bigger. Come on, go bigger. Go bigger. Go bigger. Yeah. Go bigger.
Boop.
Of you, power in numbers.
I thought he was your friend.
Why would you think a man in a ski mask was my friend?
Maybe.
What should I use for my boxes of happy today? Crocheting? No. Ooh, movies. No. Oh, kitten. Yeah, that'll work.
Wait.
I will grow under any conditions.
I think I'm allergic to tap water.
God! I'm never leaving! I'm never leaving!
Scratch.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Ladies and gentlemen.
Надо ко мне лезть. Не надо... Как ты...
Do it 2 times. If you're a human trapped in a cat's body, okay? 2 times.
If Michael Jackson is still alive, press down 3 times.
I didn't come home last night.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
Just because your eyes are closed doesn't mean I can't see you. You're ridiculous.
And look at how long, show me, he's looking at his hair.
Oh.
You want kisses?
Bring him in here.
No.
No. No.
Huh? Huh?
Huh?
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Still on the same deadbeat shit. Look at this. Take care of your kid, Bandit. Take care of it. See, he's still a deadbeat. Man.
Yo te estoy diciendo a ti que te calles y tú te callas. ¿Entendiste o no entendiste? Cállate.
Your nails look cute.
Thank you.
Let me see them. How they make you feel?
Okay, the cat challenge, this time with my own audio, wherever that is. All right, grab the closest cat. Hey. Hold the cat, like an accordion, harmonica, whatever this looks like. Apply your best raspberry. And if you still have a face, you win. Right, Finn?
So I'm going to test to see if my cat is self-aware by putting this Post-it note on her head without her noticing, and then putting her up to a mirror and seeing if she notices that it's on her head or if it's part of the mirror. Oh, where are you going? Fool.
Okay, Peachy, look, what's that? What's that? Hey, what is that? No, there's... over here, what's that? What is it? I still love you no matter what. Look at those pearly whites. Mom brushes your teeth. Oh, yeah.
If you were a fart, I'd clench my cheek so hard, just to make sure I never let you go.
Man, can I have a shot of tequila, please? Okay, on it.
What in the... Look at this random ass cat. Hey, random cat. What are you doing, kid? Can I pet you? I can pet it. Hey, where the f you going? Get out of my back seat, bitch.
If you thought you could leave the chair, come back 30 seconds later, and the chair would still be empty. Then you are sorely mistaken.